When I first started farming and working with other organic farmers 20 years ago, one of our greatest challenges was getting nitrogen, particularly nitrate nitrogen, to our crop so that we would have early crops. What organic farmers have always faced is a microbially controlled nutrient release and thus availability to the crop, so we tended to be a little slower. What I found working in this system is that that challenge disappeared after about 5 or 6 years of the living mulch, creating a recycled nutrient foundation, so that here in Montana, where it's an even greater challenge than anywhere else I've farmed, to make sure that nutrients are available to the crop early enough, we're getting the earliest tomatoes and red peppers, and in fact green bell peppers, at the market than any of the other growers, including the conventional growers. And one of the reasons is plants start growing very rapidly because the nutrient, particularly nitrogen, seems to be quite readily available. One of the things that helps this system is the black plastic. I don't think in this climate we could do this living mulch system with warm season crops without the heat increase that we get from the black plastic. Another interesting thing I've noticed as a result of this constant addition of residues, developing a foundation for a nutrient base, is that we don't have surges of nitrogen the way I used to when I would add a lot of compost or a green manure only in the spring and till it under and it would be released, and then we might side dress later. What we found is increased crop quality and lasting ability. So peppers, for example, have very thick walls. They get less sun scald problems, and we can do our specialty, which is red peppers, without losing as many. We don't have as much wrinkling, and again, the breakdown issues that occur with high heat and sun. And I suspect that the reason is that we're seeing lower tissue nitrate nitrogen. We're also seeing higher levels of calcium in the tissue. That could also be a reason. But I suspect it all boils down to the slow release nutrients that we're maintaining within the system.